So hey y'all, how's everybody doing today? My supervisor is outside acting a plum fool. I don't know why. There's nobody out there. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys. I had got some stuff for my granddaughter's birthday, and I bought her a bow for her hair and some slouch socks. And then I bought a whole bunch of charms. Some of them I had beforehand. Like the ones that you see are loose and not in a package are charms that I had from before. And what I wanted to do was make her some junk socks. So yeah, I'm going to try to make her some junk socks and like a junk bow. These are some bracelets. I just bought those to go in her little package. Here's some charms. Bought some silver pins, and then I have some in a bucket that I spray painted gold. Just to kind of like, in case she prefers gold. I don't know, but I think it might look a little better on the white socks. So here goes some more charms. Winston, shut up! He's not gonna stop, y'all. He is not gonna stop. Here go the ones I spray painted gold. Just to give you, because they didn't have any gold pins at the fabric store. I went to Hobby Lobby and they didn't have any. And I'm doing this today because I was not. Here's the letters. Her name is Aria. Yeah. So what I was saying was I wasn't feeling inspired to sew this week, so I didn't sew anything. It's a beautiful day. It's like 80 degrees outside here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and yeah, I wanted to sew this pattern right here, but I wasn't feeling inspired for some reason. And when I'm not inspired, I can't sew. I don't know if there's anybody else that's like that. But yeah, that's your girl right now, and I'm just sharing with y'all some more of the charms as I talk a little bit. And yeah, so I didn't sew nothing, y'all. Don't have anything to give you, but I just wanted to share with you. That's what I'm gonna make for her today. I'm gonna have my grandkids, my daughter's children, all week. Hopefully I can get some sewing in, or I get my Sojo mode back. I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. Low key in a not so good mood. So I don't know why. I'm just feeling like I'm feeling. So, yeah, here's the socks. I do want to get another pair. My daughter says she likes turquoise. So I do want to get another pair for her. So that I might do that. And I don't know, I might get into something later. It depends. I might just go to class and, get some stepping in and maybe, disperse my energy some kind of way. I don't have a lot of it, but I do have some, and I just want to get out, probably enjoy the weather. Didn't want to be in the house today because it's beautiful, and who knows how long this is gonna last. So there's some more stuff. These I might put on the socks or the bow. So here's the bow one more time. So that's all. I didn't have a lot today, y'all, so I'm not gonna hold you long. If I ain't got nothing, what am I gonna do? I'm still washing fabrics, so yeah, that's a thing. Yo, it's a lot going on outside. So with that said, I'm gonna get off of here and work on these socks for a little bit, or first see what charms my daughter likes once she stops by. And then I'll probably go to class, like I said, and then I'll probably just call it a day. And I will see you guys in the next video. Maybe I'll have a video out this week. I did do my hair this week though, but I might have a video out early this week if I decide to sew that dress right there. So yeah, so be looking for that just in case. Maybe. I'm not sure, depending on how I'm feeling and depending on, the time that I have after watching the kids, because the grandkids are out of school. At least these two of them are, and then the baby. So I'll have the baby all the time, for quite some time, while my daughter goes back to work. So I'm gonna have to rearrange my schedule and try to fit her in, get her acclimated to her granny sewing and working at the same time. So yeah, I don't know. I'm just rambling, y'all. I'm just not feeling it. I don't know. Pray for me, because I'm not in the best of spirits, and I like to be honest with you guys. I like to be transparent. So yeah, with that said, I'm gonna say bye today, and I'll see you in the next video, whenever that may be. Might be this week. Okay? All right. Until then, take care. Stay blessed. Thank you for stopping by, ringing my doorbell, hitting, knocking on the door, all those things, hitting the notification bell, giving me a like, giving me a comment. I thank you for all those things that you do. But keep me in your prayers, because your girl really needs them right now. So I will see y'all in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.